Hi guys, this is Maxi again with our thought strategy for today today is 14th of July 2021 and we are trading the bear market in and out, that goes outside. So after this trade I'm going to explain this strategy. After this trade we are still in between, we will go outside before the trade close. Let's just wait. We are close to the barrier. We are close to the barrier right there. It's going down again. So let's just wait for the outcome of the trade. We still have a minute 12 seconds, a minute 10 seconds left. So the time count right here. Okay, we've crossed it, so we made a 673 USD right there. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you in a moment. So for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, here is the results for July. You can see right here, the 6.1 is out. That's the version 6.1 and it's just 9.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. The boat is automated and it works on both deriv and binary.com interface. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options on the order page. And for the PIPSREAPER boat as well, you can see right here there's a PIPSREAPER boat. The boat is also very effective and it works on both binary.com and deriv interface as well. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binarypipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. is just 7.99 USD, and you can make payment using the same options as the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. And you can see here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is a link to subscribe to the first channel, the second channel, and the third channel. We drop 5 strategies today, 2 on this channel, 2 on the other channel, and 1 on one other channel. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels for more upcoming strategies. And here these are the rules again for this strategy. We are using this smart trader as the deriv.com smart trader interface. So all you have to do is to log into the deriv.com. then at the top left corner you will click on smart trader. Once you click on smart trader, you go to the synthetic indices and you click on the bear market. You scroll down to choose the bear market. So once you click on bear market, you go to the trade type, you click on stays between, goes outside. Once you click on that, then you change the durations to 2 minutes right there. Then the high barrier offset, you change it to plus 1.4154, plus 1.4154. then the low barrier offset, you change it to minus 2.1298. so we are going to be clicking on purchase when this one moment is going down. When it's going down, when it's pushing down, you can see it's going up. We are going to be clicking on goes outside. You can see we are watching the edges. We are watching the once it's pushing down, we click on goes outside. You can see it's going right up. You can see the green dots. We are watching the wall movement. You can see it's going up, so we have to wait. Okay, it's down there, so we'll click on purchase and we'll view. So let's watch. We still have a minute 54 seconds. There's a time count. There's a low barrier and there's a high barrier. Close to the low barrier. There you can see we've crossed the low barrier. We've crossed the low barrier already. plus the whole barrier. So you can go on and on and on. All you have to do is to watch the movement, the world movement carefully. Just watch the world movement carefully before you place any trade. You can see we made 7.38 USD there, and the first trade we made almost the same amount, so we made about 14 USD in a few minutes. So you can go on and on using this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.